Welcome to this tutorial for how to build an interactive dashboard in Google Sheets. This tutorial is the second of 5 tutorial videos. Open the Google Sheets workbook you saved in section 1 and navigate to the dashboard sheet. Click anywhere in one of the pivot tables. Click Data in the ribbon. In the drop-down menu, click Slicer. A slicer will be added to your dashboard sheet. Click Mark It in the Slicer columns list on the right of your screen. Click on the slicer and drag it to the top of your dashboard sheet. Click the down arrow next to All in the slicer. In the drop-down menu, click Clear. Then, click Aerospace. Finally, click OK. Scroll down to your 2 pivot tables. They are showing only the data for the aerospace market. Next, we will create charts using the data in our 2 pivot tables. Click anywhere in the first pivot table. Click Insert in the ribbon. In the drop-down menu, click Chart. The chart editor should open on the right side of the screen. If it does not, double-click in your new chart. In the Chart Editor, under the Setup tab, click the down arrow next to Chart Type. In the drop-down menu, click Bar Chart. Now we will create the chart for the second pivot table. Click anywhere in the second pivot table. Click Insert in the ribbon. In the drop-down menu, click Chart. In the Chart Editor, under the Setup tab, click the down arrow next to Chart Type. In the drop-down menu, click Line Chart. To make the charts less busy and easier to read, double-click on the X and Y axis titles and hit Delete to remove them. Now we will add data labels to the charts. Double-click one of the bars in the bar chart to select them all. In the Chart Editor, select the Data Labels box. Click B under Data Label Format. Then click the down arrow for text color and click on the color black. Now we will add data labels to the line chart. Double-click the line in the line chart. In the Chart Editor, select the Data Labels box. Click B under Data Label Format. Then click the down arrow for text color and click on the color black. To change the bar chart's title, double-click anywhere in the bar chart. In the Chart Editor, change the title text to Sales by Product Line for Selected Market 2019 to 2021. Click the B to bold the title, then click the down arrow for text color and change it to black. To change the line chart's title, double-click anywhere in the line chart. In the Chart Editor, change the title text to Trend of Sales for Selected Market. Click the B to bold the title, then click the down arrow for text color and change it to black. Use the slicer to change the selected market to see how the data in the charts will change. We are now done with the second of 5 tutorial videos. Save your work. You will be starting at this point in the next video. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.